Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand new perfume brand from the house of Orientica, and this is Nayaat. Nayaat is a subsidiary or branch of house of Orientica, and they created it just a few weeks ago. It's brand new, and they have 12 perfumes right now, which they sent me for review. I unbox and review many of them, I think about 10 of them, and this is probably the 11th or something in that vein. And so the brand Nayaat is created by House of Orientica. House of Orientica doesn't need an introduction. They are one of the well-known perfume houses from United Arab Emirates because of the quality of the perfumes they put out. The ratio, what you pay and what you get, is very, very high with House of Orientica. So this one is called Nayaat Sultry Vanilla. Is EDP 100ml. It is targeted unisex, and it retails for £75. For £75 you're getting an amazing presentation. The presentation is, look at this, you can even see it through the side and the top. So this is very thick cardboard and heavy, super heavy. The second you look at it, the second you handle it, it just shouts quality. But they're not charging you the quality, high quality presentation for such a beautiful perfume in terms of presentation. So let's get to the unboxing. When you do unboxing, unfortunately you can't do anything about the noise. Sorry about the noise. Here we go. Look at that, you can see it through the side and the top, and attention to detail is superbly well. Look at this, by Orientica, Nayaat here, and it says Sultry Vanilla, EDP, N for Nayaat, and the top you got this authentication and the details here, and it opens like this. It's got this one is, if you want to check your perfume is authentic or not, you can go to the app and check it. And the bottles in this line is superbly gorgeous. Look at that beautiful bottle. It sits in this gallery, and again, if you want to impress somebody, to give them a good nice present to impress, this is the way to go. Very, very heavy bottle, super heavy bottle. It's like 2 kilos a bottle. The cap itself is super heavy, like 200-300 grams, but it's a combination of metal and plastic. And look at this design, beautiful. It looks like a crystal, and it says Nayaat here, and the atomizer is modern and gold. And here we go, very good atomizer. It's not pressurized, but it's quite good. Okay, so let's see how this one stack up. So £75. They had some discount on Black Friday, but I think it's gone. They had it for I think 10 days or so. So right now it's £75. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Woo! Floral. So first thing it hits me is the floral of it. I'm smelling white florals, especially tuberose. I'm smelling a little bit of bubblegummy tuberose in here. Yeah, it's a bubblegummy tuberose. So it's a modern tuberose, which is sweet, bubblegummy, hint of that chokiness, hint of that powderiness, hint of that milkiness to it as well, and a little bit of that lactonic feel to it as well. Sweet. As it says, sultry vanilla. The vanilla in here is quite a big player, and it gives in it the sweetness. The sweetness is right now, for the first impression, it's about 7 to 8, so it's very sweet. So you need to like sweet perfumes to enjoy it, and that it makes it a very good, you know, going out perfume. Basically, it's very sweet, is very well done, and although it's very sweet, is grounded very well with other notes in here. I smell some spices in here, hint of cinnamon, maybe nutmeg in here as well. Yeah, it's a combination of nutmeg, cinnamon, and also I'm smelling some woods in the base, which are clean, like a combination of cedar sandalwood to give it that woody base to lift everything and round everything together. There is a fruity aspect to it. I'm not sure what. Yes, a fruity aspect to it. The fruits are nondescript. To me, it's a little bit tropical, little bit fruity, little bit juicy. Maybe peach in here, maybe a little bit of pear in here, but a hint of that zestiness as well, which is probably some maybe lemon, bergamot as well, to lift it, to open up, to make it quite happy. Right now, for the first impression, I classify this perfume as fresh to semi-fresh, and also I classify it as oriental floral, so it is quite floral. So let's see what they say in terms of note breakdown on Nayaat's website. So in terms of Nayaat themselves, they're saying sultry vanilla, EDP 100ml, and top note we have spicy and sweet almond. I'm not getting almond per se, but I'm getting definitely nuttiness. So it's just quite nutty, maybe a hint of almond in here, but I'm getting more nutmeg than almond right now, and also I'm getting more tonka bean than almond. So it is quite tonka beany, it is vanillic, yes, so it's a combination of tonka bean and vanilla in here. Definitely tonka bean in here, a big tonka bean. The spices, as I said, it's cinnamon nutmeg combination to give it a little bit of that spicy aspect, warmth spicy aspect, but they're not a huge player right now, they are in the background. Vanilla, yes, one of the biggest player is the vanilla, and also tonka bean. The tonka bean vanilla here are massive, so you need to like this combination to enjoy it. White florals, yeah, I'm smelling tuberose, definitely. I'm smelling something like jasmine, and I'm smelling a little bit of lily of the valley, but mainly behind the tuberose. Tuberose by far is the biggest player here. Powderiness, yes, it has got a little bit of powderiness. Yeah, hint of powderiness. It's not a huge powdery perfume, it's not a baby powder, but it nevertheless got a little bit of that powdery aspect to it. Hint of dustiness as well. In the base we have sandalwood, amber, and balm. So the balm in here giving it that powderiness. All right. The sandalwood, as I said, see the sandalwood combination, which is very clean in the base right now, and the amber in here is quite a deep, dense amber. So it is quite a gooey. Yeah, a little bit of gooey amber, a little bit of sticky amber, sweet amber, spicy amber, but not a huge deep and dark amber. It's bright amber. It's one of those that you're getting a deep dense amber, yes, but in the same time is effervescent, is airy, and is transparent, and is a see-through amber. So it is very nicely done. So again, this is one of those perfumeries that very difficult to come up with. You cannot make it both amber, deep dense amber, and in the same time airy and effervescent. But here you're getting the both in the same time, which is a telltale sign of good perfumery in here. So you're getting a top-notch perfumery, top-notch ingredients. The ingredients smells great. It reminds me of a very specific perfume from the house of Mancera, which I unboxed and reviewed a few weeks ago, so I got a very fresh memory, and also the wifey took it from me because she loved it so much, and that is Mancera Velvet Vanilla. So Mancera Velvet Vanilla, so this one in Mancera Velvet Vanilla, almost identical, very similar. I would say at least 90% similarity between them. So if you like that one, you will like this. If you don't like that one, probably you won't like this. Very similar character, similar DNA, similar smell, similar characters, and also in terms of quality they are very similar. both Mancera and this one. Mancera is a little bit more expensive. I think retails for £130. This one retails £75. But in the same time, Mancera, you can get them discounted, probably about £70-80. So this one is retailing £75. So very, very similar. The only thing is Mancera is 120ml, this is 100ml. So Mancera got a little bit more juice in it, but very, very similar character between them. Yeah, it just basically immediately took me to Mancera Velvet Vanilla. If you like that one, probably most likely you like this. So to recap very quickly, opened up fruity. The fruits are quite on the tropical side, nondescript, maybe a little bit peach, a little bit pear, and also spicy in the same time, which is a warmth spice like cinnamon, nutmeg. The nutmeg in here is quite prominent. It says almond. I'm not getting almond per se. I'm getting tonka bean rather than almond, but it is nutty nevertheless. Yeah, it's very nutty. It could be that in the dry down it becomes more almondy, but at the moment I'm smelling nutmeg and I'm smelling tonka bean rather than almond. But in the same time, that tonka bean is beautiful. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very well blended, and it's nutty, it's earthy, it's a little bit on the dark side, hint of darkness, not too much in here, so that makes it fresh to semi-fresh perfume. Vanilla, yeah, big vanilla. Vanilla is by far the biggest spray out. First is vanilla, and then is the tuberose, and then sorry, first is the vanilla, and then the tonka bean, and then the tuberose. So in this category strength, so going from there to the white floral. White florals mainly tuberose, but behind tuberose I'm smelling something like vanilla and a lily of the valley. Hint of powderiness, which is coming from the lily of the valley, and also the balm. And the woods are very clean in the base, which is a sandalwood cedar combination, and the amber in here is both effervescent and quite sticky, sweet, spicy amber. So it's very, very well done in here, the amber. Overall, if, as I said, very similar to Mancera Velvet Vanilla, so almost identical. Who is it for? This is definitely unisex to my nose, but it leans a little bit feminine because of that big white florals in here, and also a hint of fruitiness in here, so it gives it a little bit of feminine touch, but not too much. To my nose, this is bang in the middle, unisex. I can easily wear it, no problem. I'm going to wear it in the next 2 days, and I'm happy to wear it. As always, perfumes don't have gender. Yeah? It's all marketing BS. Don't fall for it. If you like a perfume, wear it. If you don't like perfume, don't wear it. As simple as that. Who is it for? Definitely people who like their bubblegummy tuberose. So this is a big bubblegum tuberose in here, plus the vanilla, plus the hint of spiciness in here, and also a little bit of woodiness, hint of muskiness in here. Yeah, hint of muskiness as well, but the musk is clean, and overall this is a very, very clean perfume. But the white florals are big in here, so you need to like your white florals to enjoy it. Age wise, I would say 25 years and older to be on the safe side. Although the DNA in here is very, very friendly, it's nothing in here to give you a challenging feeling or anything funky in here, none. But because it's a little bit on the sophisticated side, I would think a mature nose will appreciate better than a youngster. In terms of occasion, this is very opulent, so it's very good for going out, special occasion, evening, close encounter, dating, special ceremonies, and things in that nature. And it's season wise, this is better suited for cooler weather because it's got the deep dense vanilla tonka bean sweetness in here, so you're giving it more cooler weather feeling. But you can use it all year round unless there is a very, very high heat in summer, then it could be glowing. And in terms of gender, as I said, this is bang in the middle, unisex, but it leans a hint of femininity because of big white florals, especially the tuberose in here. So overall, I give it 2 thumbs up for first impression. Yes. I personally loved Mancera Velvet Vanilla, and naturally I'm loving this. My wife loved that one and she took it, and naturally probably when she smells this she will take this one as well. It's very, very alluring, it's very captivating, it's sensual, it's quite sexy, it's very how shall we put it, is somehow giving me a feel of lingerie. Okay, a lady with a lingerie and a very nice maybe light makeup, this will make her smell $1 million. But in the same time, if you are a man, if you like this kind of perfume, you can easily wear it as well. Don't be, you know, thinking no, this is completely feminine. No, as I said, to my nose is unisex, but hint of femininity in here. Okay, guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you perfumes like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems, and this beauty is definitely a hidden gem, especially for £75 retail. And if you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes and support me that way, buying one of my own perfumes, I leave them in the link. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, so they are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in United Kingdom. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that gives, you know, huge character, massive longevity, very artistic, very unique. They are like time capsule. They take you to different places, different time, and they are super beautiful, if I say myself. Thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you very much for your love and support, and I'll see you later. Bye.